I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 253 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, for Alaskan cruises, does everybody in the cabin have to book the same excursion? Kids eat free if you book a family harbor at the specialty restaurants. How do I do that? Why don't the shot glasses on the Carnival ships have the ship name? Are there hair dryers in the gym locker rooms? And I need a doctor's note since I'm a senior citizen proving that I'm healthy to be able to sail?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know if for Alaskan cruises, does everyone in the cabin have to have the same excursions? For example, in Victoria, if two of them wanted to do the horse-drawn carriage, but the other two in the cabin didn't, are they all obligated to buy tickets? John said, absolutely not. And I'm pretty sure this goes for any cruise, Alaskan or not. I mean, if you want to buy a ticket, you're booking it under your own information. So yeah, if you're in the same cabin, you don't have to do the same excursion. I don't think on any of the cruises. Question two. This cruiser has a family harbor room booked with their grandkids, and their understanding was that the kids eat free at specialty restaurants. They went online to reserve it, and it charges them for the kids when they go to do it. Why? John said for this, you wouldn't need to book it on the ship. You can also book it for yourself and then take the children and just let the manager know at the restaurant the day before, and they will adjust it accordingly. So if you like to take the kids to the specialty restaurants because you have a family harbor and they can eat free, you can. You just can't do it ahead of time. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question three. This cruiser recently started cruising and they collect shot glasses. They noticed that the shot glasses on the Carnival ships just say Carnival. They don't say what Carnival ship it is. They would love it if Carnival would add the ship name to the shot glasses. John said that makes absolute sense and they should add the ship name, and he's not sure why they don't. He will share this with his colleagues or the Beards to get this done. And we collect shot glasses too. It would be really cool because we're collecting the ship magnets because that's the only thing that has the ship name on it. But we'll have a shot glass with the ship name on it. What about you? Question four. This cruiser wanted to know, are there hair dryers in the gym locker rooms? They are cruising with a cabin full of ladies, so they plan on showering in the gym locker rooms to keep the cabin less crowded. John said, yes, there are hair dryers, so hopefully that is good news and it'll keep your cabin less crowded. Last question. This cruiser said that rumor has it on the internet that you have to have a doctor's note to show that they are healthy enough to sail if they are a senior. John said this is completely false, and if that were the case, they would have told everyone in no uncertain terms. So this is why John's here, to dispel the myths and get you the proper answers. That's been episode 253 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.